Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, testing the new DJI microphones. Editor note, okay, that is sexy. This audio came on and I'm like, I sound like what? Maybe it's just like sleepy early morning voice. I never like the sound of my own voice in recordings, and this one's a long one, and you have to suffer through it with me. That bass level, sultry tunes. I'm impressed. I'm genuinely impressed. I want to know if this microphone can clip onto my microphone. This is how I'm recording for now, if I have any more add-ons. I've got the camera on auto everything to see how it works for me, as I'm not the best with ISO, white balance, and all that jazz if it's not in an editing software. So really, I'm just here to test out how these microphones work. You're gonna catch me walk around the office. I'm probably gonna attach this to the Ronin. Right now I have a little bit dangling off. Probably can even show you the receiver if I'm real lucky. It is literally just dangling off the back of this, plugged into the mic slot. I don't know, it doesn't have a way for me to immediately connect it, but it's pretty cool. So this is the microphone I'm testing out. I'm gonna give it a couple taps, so be ready. I'm gonna audio balance it if it ends up being terrible. So, testing that out, that should be the microphone you heard. So the cool thing is the thing comes with a little case, little windbreaker and all that, so we're gonna test it out in a bunch of different places. This is the case, pretty awesome. 2 mics in here. The other one I believe goes live as soon as you just hand it over to somebody, so we're just gonna run in here and test that out if you don't mind. He's streaming right now. We're gonna see how this works. Don't be mad about how it's hanging there. I have no way to attach it, but that is the receiver part for it.
It's so little.
I know, but it should go live with this microphone as soon as you put it on.
Yeah, we're testing.
Like, it should be live right now, so.
Okay.
I just want to get an idea. We're on this set. I want to know if it cuts
really
in
light,
and out.
too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Dude, it would never fall off.
It will still fall off, because you will.
Oh.
But,
This will cause Matt to have the deep V again, though. You remember that?
Look at that right there. It picked up both channels now, so if you talk.
Testing!
Testing! I didn't actually check how
We're testing the peaks.
Yeah, so what
options does it have on the side here? It looks like it has a button called link.
I wonder if that does it for.
I wonder what that
Oh, do you
does.
think it links the channels?
The other one is record. I think it can record on board again.
Well, link is probably it's probably like linking it with the receiver, or it's linking both channels together. It's my guess.
But I think you can even plug in your own set of headphones and plug it into your ear to see if it's cutting or not. It's kind of cool.
Oh, like a
it's-
monitor?
Right here.
That's pretty cool if you can monitor your own audio.
So we're just checking that out. All right, I'm gonna walk around and try doing like live style interviews to see if it just works. If I have them near each other. But do you want to try? Comes with these cute little puffy things too.
Here, we should test the
Cap on the
distance.
top. Oh.
Here, walk away. 10 feet away right now. He's not 30 feet, 40. No, I'm just kidding. He's like 15,
He's running
20 feet, 25 feet. All right, now we have some stuff in front of us, 30 feet. He's going behind a wall now. All right, do it. Let's see if it cuts off. We're behind the wall. And do we still have audio? Possibly. All right, well, there's your test, guys. I'm going to wave it in front of some random stuff.
I'm gonna switch the camera around. Look at that. Fun technology. So what we're really looking at here is McAllister's new favorite way to walk around and bother people. These are really handy. This can sync right up to a phone. I doubt the quality changes in any format because of that, but the fact of the matter is you can plug this receiver, the one I've shown, right into a phone, and that's pretty badass. So I've put this thing through some little touches and tests and whatnot. We're gonna try the last thing, which is going outside, walk around a little bit, so let's go out the other way. Try that out, and then we'll see what that looks like. So this is as far as I can get holding it out, but God, it's a heavy camera when I do that. So I'm gonna hold it to like real close vision or bottom up. See my double chin, enjoy that. Let's run out here and see what the wind, if there is any, sounds like. A wee bit of wind, you might say. So it's a pretty good day out. Not for a sweatshirt, but not terrible. Cars in the background. These are all good tests. We're just gonna sit around a little bit. Let the wind hit the mic. Ambient tones. All right, I feel like I've let the wind hit it enough. Receiver looking good. Actually, you know what we'll do while we're out here? Quick receiver test. I'm just gonna start walking. This is gonna get placed on top of a car. It's gonna be slanted, but it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna keep walking. Okay, you're on top of a car. The setup looks kind of cool, not gonna lie to you. If you were looking for a cheaper setup, something that looks interesting, I'm gonna take a picture for you of what you look like right now. Boom, gotcha, on 4K. What am I saying? Not 4K. I think I got you on like 1080. I can't record at high frames. My camera is getting like real full. So I'm gonna start walking that way. I'm gonna hope no one steals you while you're waiting here. I'm gonna walk that way. Let's see how this works. So you're gonna hear a story about the time that I stole a cow. So you know what cow tipping is, all right? So you tip the cow, take it obviously, and tip it over. So I never did that. I stole the whole cow. How'd I do it, you may ask? Well, when a cow lays in a field, you just pick it up and take it. It's not that hard, not that difficult. So I'm about this far away now. Imagine the cutout somewhere and it's low grass over here. Hope the wind does not push the G7 over. I'm too afraid of that now. I'm coming back. Oh God, you're gonna hear all my things jingling and jangling. Oh, the wind's gonna blow the head off my hair. Okay, it was really stable. I was kind of into baby, I think, now that I'm looking at it. but it is what it is. So maybe we got the disconnection. If not, I was a good distance away. Your receiver does give you a little warning. I've not checked the runtime on these microphones, so that'd be the next thing. But I'd imagine they probably get 2-3 hours of recording, which is enough for Matt and Jack. The only real question is how quickly do they reconnect? So let's keep going. Where's a good place with multiple walls? I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna go into one of these bathrooms because these bathrooms are side by side. One wall right here, one wall right there. I can get up to 3 walls between us. I can actually get 4 walls between us if I want. So let's try the wall test. This one's gonna be boring to watch. Hello, there we are. So we're now outside the room. This is the wall I will be going behind. Let's find out how that works. I am now behind one wall. How is one wall treating you? One wall with door closed, any difference? Maybe, maybe not. All right, we are now outside again. We are now 2 walls away. 2 walls away with doors. A bada bing, bada boom. How does that sound? All right, we've made noise, we've made sound, we've done all we can. Now let's throw it to an editor and see how she sounds. See how she does. So I've been holding it for a good amount of time. I think I've peaked it. I think I've gotten closer to it before. So let's see how she looks in editing software. I'll just give you my feelings and results. I won't show you the software more than likely. I will just talk to you about it over B-roll of what? I don't know. Maybe Beyblades, maybe nothing, maybe me spinning in a chair. I will find some B-roll for you to watch. I went to the Ren Fair. Maybe I'll show you that. I went through the settings now and I've messed with them. When I recorded my phone, it automatically set up as mono channel. Wasn't a big fan of that, but you can go through and switch it. So this should be in dual channel now. And like I said, it should be left and right ear. So that's kind of cool if it is. This way I can record Matt and Jackson's audio on separate channels like we normally do. So if something goes wrong on one, we'll have the second one as backup. They were recorded together, so if somebody like were to bump their mic, it would mess up the audio for everybody. So this way just works out better. I'm gonna check and make sure this does work that way. I think these can record 15 hours. When I put them back in the case, the receiver reads out charges on every device inside, and it read 15.1 hours for all these. So that's pretty crazy. I wouldn't have expected that hour charge. I just hope that maintains through the life of these devices. But I hope you'll enjoy this unboxing footage. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. We'll leave like an Amazon link to these in the description, but otherwise, peace out.